If you have ever tried making motion graphics from scratch, you know exactly how painful it can be. You spend hours inside After Effects clicking through a maze of settings and end up watching countless YouTube tutorials just to figure out that one specific animation you had in your mind, only to spend half a day trying to make it work. And that just for one clip. This slows down your content creation process a lot. But here's the thing, you don't have to go through all that anymore. There's a new AI tool called Hera.Video, and it lets you create motion graphics in minutes. You just go from idea, prompt to a final animation and you're done. Realistically, it takes about 5 minutes, and the best part is it actually looks really good. For content creators, especially for beginners who want professional visuals without spending hours, this is a lifesaver. And in this video, I'll walk you through how to access Hera, generate your prompts using a custom GPT that optimized specifically for Hera motion graphic design, and how to create, edit, and reuse templates so you can build motion graphic faster than ever with brand consistency, and so much more. Everything you need to follow along is included in the first link in the description through our school community. Go ahead and grab them and start. When it comes to pricing, you get 5 free prompts to try things out, which is great, but there's no free monthly plan. So you'll need a paid plan to keep using. Quick tip, use the affiliate link below to get 15% off your first month. Click it, sign in with Google, and enjoy the discount. The standard plan is $20 a month and is perfect if you're just getting started. If you want brand kits, 4K exports, and the option to keep your generations private, you will need the Pro plan at $40 a month. And if you're serious about motion design, the Mega plan gives you unlimited prompts and unlimited brand kits, which is ideal for heavy use. First, let's look at the user interface and start with a simple prompt. You can type your prompt here in the text area. Then you can change the aspect ratio from here, and you can pick a video duration or leave it auto so Hera decide based on your prompt. Beside the text prompt, you can also add an image guide and a video guide. These won't show up in the final video. They are only used as references to help Hera understand your style. If you want specific images, videos, or audio in your final output, you can add them from here. For images, you can upload your own or generate them using AI. For video, you can upload a file. For audio, you can upload a sound file. The CSV option is great when you need very accurate details like statistics for motion graphics. You can also ask Hera to follow good design practices by turning on the new design agent. Just note that it will take a little bit longer to generate the output. And there's a button to improve your prompt. If you use it, make sure you read the updated prompt and adjust anything that you need. So let's generate a video and see how it works. Once you get the video, you can start editing it however you like. You can click on the chart area and move it around or change the size with your mouse. And if you hold shift while resizing, you can adjust the aspect ratio too. Another neat trick is that you can double click on any text and edit it right away. For example, we can remove the word global to make the title shorter, then just drag it to wherever you want it to sit. You can also open the layer panel to see the parts of the motion graphic. You can explore and play with it, but it can feel a little bit tricky, especially if you are a beginner to motion design. There's also the point and prompt feature. For example, we can select the chart and type speed up the animation. This is great for making small, precise changes to individual elements. You can make the background transparent, which is really useful, or you can change the background color to anything you like. Let's pick a dark black, and yeah, that looks good. You can also adjust the aspect ratio and duration from here as well. And if you don't like the result Hera made, you can rerun the last prompt for free. If you like the output, you can click the heart emoji. If you don't, you can click the sad face to send feedback to Hera. And if you mess up something while editing, don't worry, you can undo, redo, or reset all manual changes with one click. Once you're happy with everything, you can export the video. Here you can choose the resolution, turn on transparent background mode, pick the format you want to export, and even set the frame rate to match your project. There are few more helpful sections you should explore to get the most out of Hera. The first one is Explore, where you can see motion graphics made by the community. You can scroll through and check them out. And if you find something interesting, you can use it as your template for your own motion graphic design by clicking the Remix button. This takes you back to the familiar editing window we saw earlier, where you can start customizing. Speaking of template, there's another section called templates. This one shows motion graphic made by Hera team itself. At least that's what I assume. It's much more organized and maintained properly. You can filter by categories like infographics, logos, text, social media, and much more. You can also sort by most relevant, most used, recent, or most liked. If you're just starting out with Hera, I recommend you start from here. First, pick a category and sort by most relevant. Let's say we want to create a map animation, filter by map, and sort by the most relevant. To make a simple but interesting demo, let's pick map animation 2 countries. This takes you to the same editing window again. Now let's use this template to highlight 2 different countries. To do that, we just need to provide a text prompt. Highlight the countries South Korea in blue and Japan in red. It's always better to specify the details like colors that you want upfront. Let's submit it and see. Honestly, this looks amazing for something that takes only a couple of minutes, and of course you can keep adjusting it to however you like. There's also an option to change the map style. Let's select Street Dark, give it a few seconds to load, and there you go. You can continue customizing it, like starting with a view of the entire planet and then zooming into the region that you want. Now, if you plan to reuse this style of animation often, it's a good idea to save it as a template. It's very simple. Click on the template button, give it a title, choose thumbnail by selecting the time, and pick a category. You can make it public or keep it private. It's totally up to you. And now, whenever you want to reuse this, it's available under templates, my template section. If you want your videos to stay consistent with your brand, using the same color palette, fonts, logos, and even animation style, you can use a brand kit. There are few public ones you can start with, or you can easily make your own. I highly recommend doing this if you are creating motion graphics for your content. It really helps to keep everything consistent and professional. Writing prompts for Hera is pretty simple. Just explain your idea in clear language, use enhanced prompt feature, and then review and update the prompt. But if you prefer the back and forth conversation style of GPT to help you brainstorm ideas and then refine them with expert design level knowledge, you can use the custom GPT we built. You can get it free in our school community UAI adventure, where you will also find more lessons and guides on AI driven content creation, along with deep dives on Hera motion design. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you inside.